Dear students, good morning. Today is the second class. We are going to start the first unit from the subject. So, seeing an outline of the first unit, it gives an introduction. It gives an basic ideas, concepts, fundamentals from digital image processing. So, it gives an understanding of the subject. So, with the motive of learning this, first we can see the first topic from the unit 1, that is introduction on digital image processing. So here we are going to discuss about the basic concepts and fundamental introduction of digital image processing. So as a beginning, we can see in the outline what are the things we are going to discuss in this. First we are going to see what is image. Next we are going to see what is digital image. Then we are going to see image processing, and finally we will be going to discuss about what is digital image processing. So first we can see what is image. Here you know object captured by a camera, we will call it as image. In day-to-day life we are referring as picture, figure, still, photograph, snapshot. So like that we are referring in different names. I think now we are able to know what is image and what is the thing we are going to discuss. So technically, if you want to define what is image, it can be defined as it is a two-dimensional representation of objects with the help of camera. So once again I will be repeating what is image. Image is a two-dimensional representation of objects with the help of camera. So in another way, if you want to define, image is a consolidation of image or picture elements called as pixels. So here we want to know what is pixel. Pixel is the smallest picture element. It gives the information of picture at that particular point. So we can say collection of many number of pixels create the image, or otherwise collection of many number of pixels in rows, in columns, framing an array create the image. So I think now we can understand in general what is image, in technically what is image. So in detail to say about image, in olden days we have black and white image, and recently we are having color image. So regarding black and white image, here the pixel is defined by one value. To say about color image, here the pixel is defined by three values. What are the three values? That is red, green and blue. So like that the image what we are having is in two formats. One is black and white image format and another one is color image format. So next we can see the classification of images. We can have many classifications based on resolution, type, size, format, and some other way. So fundamentally, among them, fundamentally the images can be classified into two types. One is analog image and another one is digital image. So to understand, since it is a fundamental classification, we need to understand what is analog image, what is digital image. So to understand the two types of images, we can see the difference. So saying about the difference regarding analog image, here in image the amplitude representing it are defined by normal infinite numerical values, that is by decimal value. So to say about digital image, here the amplitudes are represented by predefined finite numerical values, that is binary, by octal or by hexadecimal. So by defining through finite numerical values, the digital image is very easy to store and it is very effective, whereas the analog image is ineffective in storing. But in analog image, the originality is there, whereas in digital image we are losing the originality, that is due to sampling and quantization. In an analog image, processing the image is difficult and very limited applications or very limited processes alone be carried out. Only external or overall changes in the image is alone be carried out. Example, brightness or changing the size of the image or removing the noise in the image. Whereas in digital image, processing the image is easy and wide, broad functionalities can be carried out. So it can be external or internal. So both external and internal changes can be carried out. To say about the example, segmentation, editing in the pixel, compressing the data size, detecting a particular pattern or object. So like that, if we can have various differences between analog and digital image. So I think it provides a wide understanding between analog and digital image. So with this, we can see next, that is, what is image processing? So to define this, process of manipulation or modification of image, we will refer it as image processing. So otherwise we can say process of creating some desired changes in the image, we are saying it as image processing. So additionally we can define process of performing some operations on an image in order to get a modified expected image. So that too we will define as, we will say it as image processing. So I think now we have an understanding what is image, what is digital image, what is image processing. So with this knowledge, with this idea, we can define what is digital image processing. So saying about this, defining about this process of creating modifications in digital images, we will define it as digital image processing. So digital image processing can be defined as process of creating modifications in digital images. So actually it is started in 1920s. The main focus of having digital image processing be improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation. So this is one of the main motive for designing a digital image processing system. So next motive for having a digital image processing system, that is processing of image data for storage, for transmission, and for application specific representations. So with these motives, we have designed various digital image processing systems, and with the help of these digital image processing systems, we are carrying out various levels of processes. So it can be said as low level process, mid level process, high level process. So we can have different sort of processes in images. We can see some processes what we are carrying out this. That be first one, that is image sharpening. So improving the quality, enhancing the quality of the image. Next to say about this editing, creating some editing in the image, in the pixel, in particular pattern or particular object in the image, red dye removal. So like that, image editing. So next is enhancement, improving the color quality of the picture, improving the brightness of the picture, improving the contrast. So next to say image compression, that is for supporting data storage, data transmission. The size of the image needs to be reduced. So we are using compression. So next to say noise removal. And next to say that is object tracking. So like that we can process various computations in digital image processing system. So now I think we are able to understand what is image, what is digital image, what is image processing, and what is digital image processing. So I think with this knowledge I have shared, I am going to wind up this session, and we can continue in the next session. Thank you. For any reference, you can have the textbook and reference books. And if you have any more doubts, you can contact my WhatsApp number 9710260926. Thank you.